Side chicks. Lagos side chicks. Lekki phase 1, most especially. Oh, yeah. Cause you na mate. Cause you na mate for Ghana. You don't change the game. Guys, full side chick for Ghana. A full side chick for Ghana. Don't carry her sugar daddy go court because say the guy no keep up to the promises when you make to her. See level now. She write full court. She petitioned the man. The man promised and saying go leave your wife. Marry him. Say you know they happy again for a marriage. You know leave a marriage. You know marry her. He pay her rent for 1 year. After the rent expire, he no increase, he no renew the rent. He buy her Honda Accord. We promise he give the Accord for 1 year, he go buy him G-Wagon. All these things he no do them. As we talk so now, the sugar daddy now will be bank CEO. He dey cut with the side chico. Lucky guess, see una meto. See una meto. Do you know who you are? Do you know what you contribute to the GDP of the economy of Nigeria? Do you know that as a side chick, that you are important to the economic formation, to the political state of a country? But for Lagos, we're going to waste on our own small iPhone. Maldives. And I'll just go beach, snap with waiting that one that way with bikini. Come look away inside the ocean. Come snap, stress me not. Daughter of God, I'm favored. See when I made for Ghana. They take person go court for waiting with their right. On our own that to the stress married men. Learn, oh, wanna learn. Draft a contract. As your side chick, this is what I will get after 2 years. If you fail, I take it to court. Men will behave. Now just the stress people for Lagos. See when I made for Ghana. Small Ghana, we no big rich worry. Small Ghana, see their level. That girl get my shot. Sue married man to court. No go marry your own. They go sue your husband. Small Ghana girl. This Ghana girl don't spoil though. Before Ghana was humble though. Now they are spoiled. Now what?